welcome back. Okay, this is our episode 2 of 7 Ways of Cooking Rice by Chef Mathieu AMET.
Hello.
Thank you so much for all the 200 something viewers. This is actually very successful for us because
No, I'm so proud.
hindi pa ako nakakahit ng 100 views, guys, but I think you really like watching Matt with me, so yeah, think about a lot of collaboration maybe. And I have 60 something subscribers. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, so today, Chef, we are going to show them 2 more recipes.
So today for the recipe is going to be again rice, but it's going to be a twist. So I call it risotto. It's an Italian dish, so sorry for Italian people. They are not the one that they cook in Italy, so don't arrest me. So the 2 risotto that I made is one mushroom, and then the other one is it's more like a ulam, so you don't have to cook something additional to it. It's shrimp.
Shrimp risotto and mushroom risotto.
Yes, so the mushroom risotto, then I added something to it, like on the side, which is salmon this time.
You will see how we paired it.
Yes, and then the second risotto, so the shrimp again, but you can also twist it. You can either have seafood risotto, so you just have to add mussels or scallops, or if you don't like shrimp, if you're allergic, you go for just scallop, or you go for just mussels, you go for just the fish, fillet of tilapia, or even bangus if you like. And
yeah, you will see, guys.
yes.
Okay, so enjoy the videos and let's discuss after this.
Cook it at home.
Yes,
That's
please
really
let us know.
And let us know, yes.
Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to do the 4th rice. Okay, Chef, what is the name of the rice today?
So today the rice recipe is going to be risotto. Kasi I'm not gonna use the risotto rice. I'm just gonna use the jasmine rice. So the rice that you can have here for 60 pesos a kilo. And then the only difference between the others is I'm gonna add a little bit of cream in the end of the cooking.
Okay, so
So ingredients. We are going to start with onions. So maybe half an onion will do. We are going to have mushrooms, cream, and Parmesan.
Okay.
Okay.
And the
Let's
basil?
start. Basil, so this has just been harvested from the garden. Promise the feeling that you get when you harvest this fresh is amazing.
So it's part of the rest.
This is going to be for the ulam. The ulam is going to be
so
salmon
we're going
steak.
to have salmon also
Yes.
together with
Later.
our, what's the name again?
Risotto.
What kind of risotto?
That's just a traditional risotto. Just maybe
Mushroom
additional
risotto?
mushroom. Yeah, mushroom risotto.
Okay, let's start cooking.
Okay. This time I'm gonna put a little bit less of oil. And we're gonna start with the mushrooms.
So the mushroom, we diced it.
We mince it.
Minced, okay.
So why we start with the mushroom this time is because mushroom is having so much water.
Okay.
And what we will do is actually we will try to evaporate that.
Water, okay.
To leave it with a bit like 25% of water. For here the next step is we're gonna add the onions. That will do. Very generous. Mix again. And let it cook for another minute. Well, until the onions is translucent. It
Translucent.
means, yeah, you can see through. Alright. Yep, the onions is ready now.
Okay.
So then we go with the rice.
our rice that we washed 3 times.
Yep, of course.
So this is 2 cups again, Chef.
Yep, 2 cup of rice. And then at this moment, when I'm gonna mix the rice, I will judge if I need to add a little bit of oil or no. But I think no. That's going to be alright.
Okay.
Yes. And then right away add the water. But for this one, so usually I put 1.5 times the amount of water. So I usually put 3 cups. This is 2.5.
Okay.
So I want to have a drier rice because later after the cooking I'm going to put the cream.
Okay. So we need to wait for it to cook before we
Put either the cream or the cheese, yes.
Alright.
Okay, the rice is actually really good. Its cook is not too wet. So first thing first, we will put the cream. Let's say about 3 to 4 tablespoons. Then Parmesan. You can be generous. We'll give a first mix and then we will check if we need to add cream, if we need to add cheese.
How about salt, Chef, no?
Yeah, after, for tasting.
Okay.
Okay, now I can tell you I need to add cream. Okay.
Yum. Okay.
So let me taste, and then we can add some salt.
Yes.
Yeah. I will add some salt.
Salt to taste. Alright. So this is our final rice, mushroom risotto, to partner it with yummy salmon with fresh basil from our garden. Bon appetit!
Yes. It's like carbonara rice. Yum. Ano you to say?
I said this to Brayo talaga yung sinabi niya. Kasi it's risotto. It's not carbonara.
It's like eating,
It's like eating in a restaurant.
but better. It's so
Yeah.
good. Yummers. Merci, Moshe.
Pleasure.
Hi, Chef.
Hi, so I will start already. So our recipe today is going to be a seafood or shrimp risotto.
Yes.
So as the same risotto that we did with the mushroom, it's going to be same way. We only use the rice cooker, and we are going to use
Okay, ingredients.
half an onion, 2 cups of rice,
2 cups of rice,
shrimp,
shrimps,
cream, Parmesan, olive oil, and of course the water ready there.
Okay.
So let's get started.
Alright, let's prep. So this guy is getting fresh parsley from the garden.
Blah.
Opla! Sibosa. Okay, so we're done prepping.
Okay, so we are ready now. Again, just the rice cooker. Plug your rice cooker. And then we will start again with the olive oil. So, up a gentle amount of rice, I will say.
Gentle amount of olive oil.
Of olive oil. And then
You put
onions.
your onions. Okay.
You just spread it, and then when it starts to simmer this rice,
Let's turn on the rice cooker, yeah?
there we go.
Yep.
Okay, so the onions are now almost turning brown, so we should not have any color. Here we go with the shrimp. So here we have 350 grams, approximately 350 grams, chopped shrimps, and I keep this for the dressing later, for the plating.
Garnishing.
So it's 2 per person, we are 3. So here, just mix well.
Yummy.
And
Shrimp risotto.
let it
Wait
cook
again.
for 30 seconds. We will mix again, and then 30 seconds.
Okay, chef.
Yes. After 30 seconds, mix. As you can see, the shrimp are turning pink. Anyway.
Okay, so after another 30 seconds.
Here, everything is pretty much pink.
Smells so good.
And we'll go with the rice now. So again, we are using 2 cups of rice for 3 people. Good for 3 to 4 people.
And we washed it 3 times, as usual.
Let's mix this, covering all the grain of the rice with the oil. There we go. And now I'm gonna put the water.
Which is?
So I usually put 3 cups of water for 2 cups of rice.
This time?
Because we are going to put cream later on in the final cooking, I only put 2.5.
Okay. So now we just let the rice cooker do its job, correct?
There you go.
We?
Yes. Okay, the rice cooker have clicked like 5 minutes already, so I left it slowly cook. Open it quick, put the shrimp.
The garnish. Wow. Pretty.
And then
Close again. Alright.
okay, here we go. After 6 minutes,
Wow!
we will remove first the shrimps. They will be used later on for the decoration. And we'll go with the cream. So we'll put about half or 3/4. It will depends.
Three-fourths of the. This is how many grams?
250.
250.
And
Ay, sorry,
then-
250 ml.
And then
Parmesan.
Parmesan.
Our Parmesan cheese.
So here I put about
A generous
6.
amount.
Yes. Because we love that one. And then let's give a first mix. We'll see if we need to add anything like cream. I will of course add salt later.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, I will add some Parmesan na konti-konti lang.
And more cream?
No,
You're good? Alright.
just a little bit of Parmesan. Whoops. So it become like
So we're adding now our pink Himalayan salt. So again, according to your
Taste.
Okay, so we are now going to plate.
Yes.
Okay, so you are probably wondering what is our ulam. This is it na, guys.
Yes.
So you don't have to cook ulam. This is when you are lazy.
Well, the good thing about risotto, or the thing about risotto, is very filling.
Yeah. And then you will...
Be careful, it's a little bit hot. Don't be scared.
So chef here is
Just-
filleting the shrimps. Or
Oops.
the prawns rather.
So it's hot.
And our freshly picked parsley from the garden. Yummers! Okay, let's eat.
Okay, game.
So good. For me, the saltiness is just enough.
Gracie added just a little. A pinch again on her plate. So, sino first? Diane.
Very good. Thank you so much, baby. So good.
Gracie?
So good, I can think.
It's so good
She
and it's
forgot
so
her name.
easy.
She forgot her name.
It's so easy lang, guys, to do it. Rice cooker lang.
Try it at home, ah.
Bon appetit.
Bon
Eat na,
appetit.
baby. Okay. So, baby, so what can you tell about our audience this time for the two recipes?
So this video, I really enjoy to do this two rice, really to have something different. So that's the goal of why I'm making this video. And now just adding cream and Parmesan into it will really make you feel that it's not rice anymore. Those two risotto promise the perfect match for any kind of fish or seafood. You, what can you say about it?
I really love the salmon, and you can be generous on. You see, we did not put like the correct grammage or correct ml of the cream and Parmesan. It's really up to you, to your taste. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed that as we enjoyed making them for you. So, watch out for the last video. So that's gonna be next week. It's gonna be the last part of it. So we're gonna show two
Yes.
last videos for the 7 ways of cooking rice by Chef
Yes.
Matame. And thank you so much, baby.
You're
You're very patient with me. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next video.
And leave a comment below also,
Yes.
so we will know how to change what you did if you make it, and with what you pair your rice.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye, guys.
Bye.